students. In last video, we are study about software. Software may be classified into two categories. First, system software, and second is application software. System software, like operating system, which is run our computer system. It interaction provide between hardware, software, and user. And application software are those software which are used to perform given specific task. In this video, we are studying about an important application software, MS Office. MS Office is contain different type programs like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, and MS Excel. In your course, there is a MS PowerPoint also, and we are studying about here about MS PowerPoint. So first, see that this is taskbar, this is notification area, and this is quick launch icon, and these are start button. Click on start button, click on all program, and click on Microsoft Office, and found see that there is a Microsoft Office is sub programs. We now click PowerPoint, then PowerPoint window open. If you uh, find another way to your MS PowerPoint, so this is the run program. Type here power P and T, and click. So this is the another way to find your program. Now when our window is open for micro PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, now we discuss some basic elements of this window. First, upper bar is known as always title bar. Title bar here is presentation 1. When we save our file, then with file name, then title bar it display file name, and below the title bar these are a menu bars. Menu bar contain a different menu like home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, and view. These are a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar are used for quick accessing when we are doing our task and need some shortcuts. So these are used for that process. This is a drop customers quick access toolbar. We can customize from here, and you can see that new, open, save, email, quick print, extra commands, more commands. This option is used for add in your customize, like we can just word art collect add this add or click OK. You can see there is add, word art is add. Okay, now this is file menu, yeah, office button. This contained some uh, options like save, save as, open, close, info, recent, new, print, save and send, help, option, and exits. Save, save used for save your current file with a file name. Save as, save as used for uh, existing file with another name. Open, this option used for open your existing file which is already created by user. Close, it is close the current documents. Info, info give the different type info about permission for prepare for sharing and version. Recent, recent used, this is display the recent presentation or work which is done by us. New, new option used for new presentation creation. Like there are different type of templates which we can use by our requirement. Print print is used for printing our current all presentation at paper as a hard copy. Save and send used uh, by email and to send the network or internet. Help this give option to provide help about the how we can work on this application. Option option this is a PowerPoint option. This used for some customization or alternation about your documents. And another is exit. Exit, click on exit, we can exit from our current program. Now again we click on start button, all program, MS Office and PowerPoint. Okay, this is title bar, these are menu bar, and every menu bar contain a formatting option, and these formatting option contain, this is called ribbon. Look, home menu, it contain clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing. Insert menu containing table, picture, clip art, screenshot, photo album, shapes, smart art, chart, links, text related, symbols, media. Design, this provides the different design of our presentation. We can select any design and uh, we change our slides in design templates. Transition, animation, slideshow, these are the different type of menu bar and containing a different formatting options or ribbons which are used by user. So first, what is PowerPoint? So we can say that the PowerPoint is a graphical representation of our document which used to display attractive and effective. And like MS Word, there is a document page is known as document in MS Word, but in PowerPoint, page is known as a slides. These are the different slides themes like blank, like this, like this. Blank presentation with blank slides. There is a no any option where text we can write, but in these themes of slides we can see that there is a click to add title and click to add subtitles. These box known as a placeholder. These are a placeholder, and in this we can type our text like 6. Click to add subtitle. Good. So these are first placeholder and these are second placeholder. Or we can type in this text. We can also insert image and other pictures in this placeholder. So we can say that the placeholder is a place where we can type text or insert pictures, extra. Okay, this is click to add note. You can click to add any notes as a Okay, or this bar is known as status bar, which display the current slide number, view, buttons, extra. Like these are slide. These are views: normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, slideshow. These are zoom area. We can zoom from here and zoom in and zoom out. Okay, okay. If you we can insert slide from home tab, but we can also insert slide from file menu. The, click on file menu, click on new, click on blank presentation, or click here from create. So now we can see that slide in layout is comes. Okay, if you want to, okay student, now we start from home tab. So we some about view. First we learn about view. View, there are three most view. Normal view, this is view normal. This is a this is pen. This is a navigation pen. This is a slide pen which display the number of slide, and we can easily find out our slides. Slide sorter view. Slide sorter view look like that. This in this view, all slides are come in one place, and deleting or adding new slide from this view. And this look is known as a miniature form. And this is slideshow view. This is a reading view. This is slideshow view. Slideshow view is the reading view also is called, and this is we can show our slides or clicking by slide, and slide is run. Again we come back our normal view. So this is the your first normal uh, introduction about the MS PowerPoint. When you come out from it, click on file menu. First save your slide, and save as. This is dialog box open. File name, we give either here a file name. Okay, and this file name is represent as a title bar. So where is go save. After save, see that title bar name replace from presentation 1 to class 6th. Now again file, exit. So we exit from our program. So student, keep watch carefully and read. Thank you. Have a nice day.